everyone, welcome to Online Academy. This is Ekechimana. Today, team, I'm going to take you through this video where I'll be talking about how to use ChatGPT to solve mathematical problems. That's what we are going to do in this video. I'm going to show you how you can apply this model to mathematics in solving mathematical problems. Team, if you are new to this channel, just click the subscribe button as well as turning on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll get a notification from this channel. To those who are new to this model, who do not know what it is and how to use it, please check this video where I was talking about what is ChatGPT and its capabilities. And after watching that video, I think you'll be actually moving with us at the same pace. So in this video, I'm just going to take you through two topics, which is the equation basics as well as the logarithms. How can you put that information on ChatGPT and how you can get your answers. After that, you can actually work around how you can do it on your own. So let's start this video. So team, today we are just going to start with the algebra. I'm using this website wisant.com. I'm just going to take the examples here and then you put it to ChatGPT and see what we can get. So team, let's start. Let me just say hi and see the response that we get from ChatGPT. You see, how can I help you today? So I want you to solve my mathematics problems. Team, you can just go straight to what you want, but with this one I've actually discovered that it will help you the most the way you want. If you start by giving it what do you want it to do rather than just go straight to your question. So it is very important to start actually talking to it, just starting a conversation with it, telling it what do you want from it, so that it can actually help you to solve your questions. So she said that of course I would be happy to help you solve your math problems. Please go ahead and ask me the questions you need help with. So from here, I'm just going to copy this question, which is the equation x plus 1 is equal to 9. So I'm just going to ask it that please can you solve this equation and let me see what you are going to get. So sure, to solve the equation x plus 1 is equal to 9, we need to isolate the variable x on one side on the equation. To do this, we can subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. So it will actually explain to you the solution. Okay, it will give you the solution and also it will give the explanation to you how you can go through about this. So x plus 1, you can subtract minus 1 from both sides and you're left with the x is equal to what? X is equal to 8. So the solution to the equation x plus 1 is equal to 9 is x is equal to 8. So let's confirm. So we see that here is our answer, x is equal to 8. So this is just a basic equation that I have actually given it. Let me try to solve this one. Okay, I'm just going to copy. Then I'm just going to say, how about this? Let's see what we are going to get. Sure, I can help you to solve the equation too. To solve the equation x plus 9 is equal to 18 minus 2x, we will isolate the variable x on one side of the equation to what blah 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 blah. Let's see the result that we are going to get. At the end, we have managed to get our x is equal to 3. If we can confirm here, the answer is x is equal to 3. You see that it have actually managed to solve. So these are linear equations. You can give it even the quadratic equation. It can also do it for you. Here it is saying, next you isolate x by subtracting 9 from both the sides, and after that you can divide both the sides by 3 and you get your x is equal to 3. Okay, let me see if I can have a quadratic equation here. and then we go through that. We want it to solve the quadratic equation. Let me see if I can get an example here. Unfortunately, on quadratic equations here, they were putting pictures, so I cannot copy and paste. X squared plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. We want to solve this one. So let me just ask it, can you solve this equation for me? Okay, so let me put the equation. The equation is x squared plus 4x x squared plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Let's see what you are going to get from this one. So yes, I can help you solve the equation. The x squared plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Identify the coefficients of the equation. A is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to minus 12. So it is going to use the quadratic equation to solve this equation. You see, so it is going to give us the solution. And let's see what you are going to get from this one. It's saying, so the solution to the equation x squared plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. X is equals to 2 and x is equal to minus 6. Let's confirm if it is actually correct. Maybe it have actually give us the wrong answer. So let's see if it is going to be correct with this one. The second step is to add and x squared plus 4x, and what you are going to get to end up with something like this. So at the end, we are going to get our x here is equal to 2 or minus 6. As you see, we've got our two values as x is equal to minus as x is equals to 2 and x is equals to minus 6. So we can say that it can also solve your quadratic equations using the quadratic formula or using the factor method. So from this, we are going to solve the logarithms. Let's go to logarithm problems. So let me just check that now I am moving to logs. So team, you need to know that by just telling it what to do, it can actually give you the best solution rather than just jump straight to the question. So let me just give it some simple question here, which says solve, evaluate the following. Log 1000 base 10 is equal to x. Let's see what you are going to get there. So let me just evaluate log 1000. We know that by default, if you just say log 1000, the base is what? Is 10. So log 1000 is equal to x. Let's see what you are going to get. So the logarithm 1000 with base 10 can be evaluated using the logarithmic probability. Since 10 to the power 3 is equal to 1000, we have log 1000 base 10 as your answer is 3. You see that it have actually managed to solve what? The logarithm problem just like this. So let me actually go on to the next question. This one is now an exponential. We want it to solve using what? Using logs. So I'm just going to give it the question. Can you solve this one again? Let me just say log, not log, but it's 3 to the power x is equal to 729. 729, yes. So let's see what you are going to get. Yes, I can help you solve that equation. To find x, we can take the logarithm base 3 of both sides, and then after that, since log 3 base 3 is equals to 1, so we can conclude that 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3. We can simplify the equation to x equals to log 729 base 3. So x is equal to the logarithm base 3 of 729. To find the numerical value of the log, we would need to use logarithmic tables, a calculator, functions, or some other methods. However, we can say that x is the logarithm of 729 with the base 3. So for me, I want that answer as a numeric value. So I want to ask it, so can you proceed and use calculator? I want to see if it can give me the answer of log 729 to base 3. So let me see what I'm going to get as my final answer. Okay, so to find this, we use log 3, this blah, and it is equivalent to 6.077. So let's see what do we get here. If it actually give us the correct answer, you see that your x is equal to 6, and this is what you have here is your answer. So I think it have actually fairly done or fairly solved our problem. I think that's all that I've actually want to share with you today. So if you are new to this channel, guys, or if you are actually impressed with this video and you want to watch more videos from Search Online Academy, please consider subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get a notification from this channel. Keep on doing the videos on ChatGPT as well as on mathematics, which is the discrete mathematics, mathematical foundation, as well as programming, which is Java, C, C++, Python. Also, I will do more videos on other courses like data structures. Let me just say IT related and computer science related courses. So thank you for watching and thank you for supporting us.